Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the link so the QR points to a working destination. Paste the exact URL into the generator field. If you need redirects or tracking, pick Dynamic. Once done, set basic options like size and error correction. Higher correction lets the QR survive damage but increases complexity. Make sure to choose output format, PNG for quick use, SVG for scalability. While you're here, name the file logically so you can find it later. Now configure the middle steps that affect reliability. You'll pick error correction. Higher levels tolerate damage but increase module count, so choose based on use case. Adjust size and margin. For print aim 300 dpi and a clear quiet zone. For screens, pick pixel dimensions. If you add color or a logo, make sure contrast remains high and the center logo doesn't cover key modules. Once adjusted, preview and run a test scan with 2 different devices to confirm. Finish by exporting the QR in the format suited to your channel and saving a backup copy. You should test scanning with multiple phones and apps at intended distances and lighting. If a scanner fails, first check contrast and quiet zone. Make the code larger or switch to a higher error correction level. Also reduce logo size or move it out of dense areas. Once scans consistently open the correct link, deploy the QR and monitor any dynamic analytics if you enabled them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.